Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the virtual class of Appa Public School. You all know me. And this is Shiv Patil, your computer science teacher from Appa Public School. Back with the chapter called Working with Tables. In the previous chapter, we have studied the creation and management of database from scratch, including how to set up tables, fields and data types in a database. In this chapter, you will learn about how to handle and work in a table. That is we called as working with tables. Right. In this chapter, we will discuss the following concepts. The first one is brief about table, opening an existing database, editing records in a table, hiding and unhide the hidden columns, freeze and unfreeze columns, inserting and deleting a field, rename a field, moving a field, moving through records, and last concept is lookup wizard. The first concept of this lesson is brief about table. A table is a database object or else database component that allows us to store information in an organized way, that is in the form of rows and columns. In a database, rows are referred as records and columns are referred as fields, that we already know, right? This is the pictorial representation of a database that contains three tables, namely table 1, table 2 and table 3. We cannot create two tables with the same name in a database. That's why I put here as table 1, table 2 and table 3. A table can have maximum of 255 columns with unlimited rows. This is about table. If you want to work with the database that is already created, we need to open that first. That is we called as opening an existing database. That we will see practically. For that you have to open MS Access, that we already know how to open that. To open an existing database, follow the steps. Click on Office button, select Open option from the drop down list, click on Open. You will get so many databases. Select the required database from the list of databases. Now I am going to open the database called database 9. Say open. This is a way of opening an database, right? If you want to open the table in a database, double click on the table. This is a way of opening a table in the database. The next concept is editing records in a table. After entering data, sometimes it is required to make changes in the database. For doing this, follow the steps. Right. Here Ravi is an employee. Right. Name of the employee. He is getting the salary 3,500. If you want to make some changes here, now I made it as 4,005 as Ravi's salary. His address is Alan. Now I will make it as Kalburgi. This will be called as editing records in a table. The next concept is hiding columns. MS Access provides a feature using which you can temporarily hide columns. To hide columns, follow the steps. First you open MS Access, right click on the column heading that you want to hide. Suppose I want to hide the column designation. Right click on the mouse, say hide columns. This is a way of hiding columns. The next concept is unhide the hidden columns. The columns which are hidden earlier can be brought back to the table. For doing this, follow the steps. Click on any column heading. Right click on the mouse, say unhide columns. Select the column that you want to unhide. Now I added the column as designation. Select it, say close. This is a way of unhiding the hidden columns. The next concept is freeze and unfreeze columns. Freezing a column in MS Access refers to making the selected column appear at the leftmost side in a table and make them visible at all times irrespective of the directions you scroll. That we will say practically. Open MS Access. Now the table is in data sheet view. To freeze columns, follow the steps. Select the field which you want to freeze. Now I am selecting the field designation. Right click in the mouse, say freeze columns. See the changes. The column which I freeze, that is shifted to left side in the table. See, if I scroll also, the table is visible. This we called as freezing columns. The next concept is unfreeze columns. To unfreeze columns, follow the steps. Click on any column heading, right click the mouse, say unfreeze columns. This will be called as unfreeze the hidden columns. Now you see the changes. I am scrolling, all the fields are moving. This will be called as unfreeze and freeze columns. The next concept is inserting and deleting a field. That we will say practically. Open MS Access. Suppose I want to insert a field after the first name. For doing that, click on the column heading, right click in the mouse, say insert column. Right, this is a way of inserting a column. Right, I will make it as middle name. Is it clear? Now deleting a field, right? If you want to delete a field, select the field which you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete the field called middle name. Right click in the, select the field, right click in the mouse, say delete column, say yes. This is a way of inserting and deleting a field. The next concept is rename a field. To rename a field, follow the steps. Select the column header that you want to rename. Suppose I want this last name as surname, right? Select that column, right click in the mouse, say rename. Instead of last name, I will put it as surname. Just say OK. This is a way of renaming a field. The next concept is moving a field. Right? If you want to move field from one place to another place, just follow the steps. Suppose now I want to move this field. That address field is here. I want to move this to right side of the table. For doing that, select that entire column, hold the mouse, just drag and put where you want to move. This is the way of moving a field. The next concept is moving through records. Now I am in the record 101. If you want to move from one record to another record, there is an option called as, just click on next record, see the cursor. I am moving from one record to another record. If you want to move to next previous record, just click on the previous record, see. Now I am in the 101 record. If you want to move to last record, that is 105 record, just come and click here. It will move us to last record. Now I am in the 105 record, that is last record. If you want to move to first record, click here. It will move us to first record. This will be called as moving through records. The last concept is a lookup wizard. The lookup wizard establishes a relationship between tables. A lookup field is a field in a table whose value is retrieved from another table or a query. The lookup wizard refers to a program which provides step-by-step guidance to select values from another table or a query. Let us see practically. To create a lookup column, follow the steps. Now the table is in a data sheet view. If not, open it in data sheet view. Click on any field. Now I am clicking on a designation field. Go to data sheet tab. Just click on data sheet tab. In that there is an option called as lookup column. Click on that. Say next. Select the table which you want to visible in the employee table. Now I want to make this department table visible in employee table. That's why I am selecting the department table. Select, say next. Import the fields from department table to selected fields. Right? Just click here. It will import. Say next. Which field you want to import to employee table? Department name. Say next. Right? Say next. Give the field name as name of the department. Say finish. Now see the difference. Shivu is in which department? Just come here, select. Suppose he is in production department. Now Amay is in manufacturing department and Ravi is in marketing department. This will be called as creating lookup columns. For this, I am going to wind up with the session. Thank you, one and all.